As I sit behind this Mionix mechanical keyboard typing letter by letter to construct the words I've formulated for this review, I can't help but think about the key reasons as to why this keyboard is the way I like things done. Mionix is neither the most popular brand nor even the most accessible ones for consumers to obtain, but I am clearly smitten with their Wei. The Wei mechanical keyboard is the perfect pun to showcase the way for gamers to have gaming accessories made for them, and it's nearly perfect as a product. Mix fun marketing with a bit of quality, and that is a recipe for success. The Mionix Wei has been around for almost half a decade now, yet it's also a brand that has largely been swept under the rug when thrown into the gauntlet with the big boys like Razer, Corsair, and Logitech. This is a brand that really screams indie. From the random donut branding material to the minimalistic Mionix logo, this is one of the cleanest keyboard experiences I have ever had. The minute you pull this out of the awesome packaging and set it onto your desk, you just instantly feel like you are in for something special. It has that Apple effect. For $160, I would certainly hope to be impressed. Fortunately, that was exactly what I was and continued to be after my fingers began exploring the full programmable keys. The tactile response from the Cherry MX Red switches on this Wei keyboard are impeccable. Not only does each keystroke feel satisfying, it also has a unique sense of effortlessness to its operation. It's hard to necessarily describe what I'm feeling, but there are some mechanical keyboards that, while satisfying to type on in numerous ways, just feels like you're in a constant battle against the pressure of the switches. I say this because I literally have that Razer Huntsman on the desk parallel to the one I'm typing on right now, and the keyboard with Razer's purple optical switches sees almost like equal action to the Mionix Wei. I absolutely love both of these keyboards I use as daily drivers, but I feel more at ease typing on the Wei. The clickiness sound the Wei emits is more of a tick 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 rather than a tick 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 I hear from many other mechanical boards. It's a muted yet still satisfying sound in my opinion. As a full-size keyboard, the Wei is nicely spaced out with reasonable symbology that makes the keyboard seem kind of hipper than many other brands and their vanilla caps. While you don't get double-shot PBT caps that my colleague Siri constantly preaches as a be-all end-all must-have, the keycaps have held up relatively well for 6+ months of daily usage. Back to the symbology though, one of the reasons why this keyboard is so minimalistically attractive is basically it doesn't list any secondary functions, FN commands, on any of the keycaps. As someone who has learned how to type the wrong way as a kid, thank you for all of you guys pointing out how weirdly I type in previous videos, I do often look down on the keyboard to make sure I'm pressing on certain keys to have the right stuff going on. This was slightly difficult for me to navigate as I never took the FN symbology to heart. I rarely use keycaps without these symbologies, so there was an adjustment period. I still have to glance over at the Huntsman once in a while, but I've greatly improved my recall of the FN placements over the last year thanks to using the Mionix. When it comes to premium features, it cannot be understated how luxurious the Wei feels simply due to the board having an aluminium top shell. When you combine that with a rubber solid base with a giant yet subtle Mionix logo on the bottom, it just feels expensive. That's good because this is a $100+ keyboard. Build quality has to at least match the dollar amount you pay. There's an undetachable coiled cable that also provides ample slack that I appreciate being included into the package. I also love the yellow Mionix logo accent on the left side of the keyboard. And once again, sometimes logo branding on keyboards ruin the beauty of a board thanks to the obnoxious placements. The Mionix logos appear 3 times, yet I'm complimenting them as accents to the piece. That's how you do logo placements. Then, of course, we have to discuss the RGB aspect of this gaming keyboard. There's a Mionix hub software that gives you literal like literally full control of your keys. You are allowed to remap, assign macros, create different custom colored schemes that you like. I actually don't really like using software for RGB layouts as much as most gamers do, but the hub software is relatively clean and minimalistic to use, and I do appreciate the consistent approach throughout the Mionix lines of products. And to me, it reminds me of like the early Apple Renaissance days of the it just works. Keep it simple, functional, and clean looking, and people will come to your products. I clearly was attracted to this way of life when it comes to mechanical keyboards. With each advancing day, newer gaming boards are getting more and more customizable and thus giving me bigger migraines with all the potential options to alter. There is something really freeing about beautiful keyboards that just has enough options yet doesn't require you to really touch any of them for a high-level equivalent experience. I could certainly live with the preset RGB cycles and schemes due to the Wei projects its colors through the caps. It is quite pleasant on the eyes and isn't jarring or over blatantly loud. The RGB usage here is as it should be. It's an accent. And as for the most important aspect of the keyboard, the Wei is an enthusiastic typing experience. What I mean by that is you are encouraged to type for a long period of time on this keyboard. As far as low-profile keyboards without adjustable angles are concerned, I felt more comfortable sending hours behind this keyboard than probably most keyboards I've ever owned. I certainly am a believer in Mionix and the way to go about their product language. This Swedish brand just gets it. The combination of sophisticated quality mixed with minimalistic simplicity is the way to go. It's been a while since Mionix released the Wei. I just wish we'd get a sequel or even more products in the future that follows their particular way towards the future of gaming accessories. I wish I had somebody writing some like really funny lines that I can fill here and then we can have some really good outro, but unfortunately none of us here are smart enough to do that.